welcome back to our channel. Today we are unboxing Fidget toys.
I already unboxed this one.
That came like a month ago, probably. Yeah. But anyways, so here's what we have.
I got an infinity cube,
a poppet, and a fidget cube.
By the way, guys, the poppet and the fidget cube are hers.
Yes, so anyways, let's get started. First, we're gonna open what do we want to open first?
I want to open
Sure, let's open. We're gonna open the infinity cube first. Show it on the video. So, take it out.
Whoa! It looks so cool.
This is how you play with an infinity cube. It can fold and stuff.
Oh.
It's really fun and big. It's basically like a Rubik's cube, but I think that one's probably more fun. For me, I think that's fun more than Rubik's cube.
Yeah, I feel
On the box it says puzzle cube. I don't know, but that's what
it is a puzzle cube.
Anyway, speaking of cubes, the next one we're gonna open is
the fidget cube.
Fidget cube. It says hand cube, but anyways, let's
open it.
So these are all the fidgets you will see. Hush, hush, hush. They won't hear me. So this is mine. I have a black one. So these are all the fidgets. We have click, spin, flip, glide, roll, breathe. So this is we have a thumbstick.
What's a thumbstick?
Press. And then spin. Oh, and here's our text. On TikTok, I see people that you can click this, but I don't know what is this. Breathe.
I made a brick.
Now the last one we're gonna open is the poppet. This poppet is different. Look at our old poppet.
Mine.
That's my sister's poppet, and mine has this.
Other lines.
So let's open it.
I just have
Hold on. Let's take a moment. We're gonna do ASMR.
I'm obsessed with it now.
Me and my sister.
It's so fun.
We're gonna switch for a second.
Whoa, it looks so...
I think I want the infinity cube now.
I think I want the fidget cube now.
Okay, we're gonna trade.
NANI? Wait.
We're gonna trade. Here's my infinity.
Wait.
Wait.
Anyone has a fidget cube? Wanna trade for an infinity cube?
Yes. We're gonna trade.
It's going once, going twice, going 3 times.
Okay. I offer a fidget cube.
Can you add, please?
Girl.
Wait.
We're just going to trade.
accept
We're just gonna trade for a day, and we're gonna just give it back to each other when we're bored of it now. But yeah, so we're gonna be trading for the day. But anyway, let's open the poppet.
Can I try it too?
Okay, you can, but we're gonna do an ASMR. Look at that. Let's see. I think this one is smaller. Yeah, it's smaller. See, there's like a little gap. Anyways, let's. I think that's the loud side.
I'm having so much fun on a fidget cube right now. No, that's the loud side, I think.
Oh yeah, this is the loud side, and then this is the quiet.
Can I try? I want to try. Ew, why is it so hard at the first one? And it's not hard at the second one. Like,
anyways, you guys, here's our review. Pop It is like the same. I give this one a 7. Infinity Cube.
can I rate mine?
Yeah, you can. Infinity Cube, I'm gonna rate this one a. Oh, this one is like a 9. And I'm rating this Fidget Cube a 8. Your turn. Rate them.
Okay, so I rate the Fidget Cube a 9 because it's super fun to play with. And this is how you play with this one out there.
I know.
And like, look. And there's so much stuff that we could do on it. And that's why I rate it a 9. And I rate my Infinity Cube a 9 too because it's super fun to play with too. Oh, I made someone. I made a cube. And I rate this Pop It a 7. Wait, an 8 because like this not that loud one. This side it's hard to pop.
So yeah, that's our reviews. I don't know. I think I like the Infinity Cube more, but I also like this one because it's, you know, really quiet and it's really tiny, so you can like bring it anywhere. And the Pop It, it's really like really big, so yeah, that's our reviews. Anyways, you guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And hit that notification bell.
Anyways, yeah, bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.